product versus sales script. हरेक कम्पनीको product script छ. I believe that. हरेक कम्पनीको product script हुन्छ. But that is not what we're talking about. We're talking about the sales script. Sales script भनेको नमस्ते भनेदेखि जान्नेसम्मको जुन होल टाइमको कुरा हुन्छ नि, कसरी बस्ने, ऊ अगाडि हामी अगाडि आउने, कसरी बस्ने, त्यसपछि कहाँ बस्ने, कसरी कुरा गर्ने, कुन टोनमा कुरा गर्ने, कुन सेन्टेन्स बोल्ने, कुन कुरालाई पहिला गर्ने, कुन कुरालाई पछि गर्ने. So that's the sales script. This is a product script. So नेपालमा धेरै जस्तो sales people, this is what they do. So you're a customer. Oh, let's say this is a handyblast. Alright? So this is a handyblast. Handyblast बेच्न पर्यो भने के हुन्छ? नमस्ते म्याम, सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? सुन्नु न, आज यस्तो रमाइलो गरेर चाहिँ यो चाहिँ handyblast हो के? अब यसको यस्तो फाइदा हुन्छ तपाईँलाई म सुपारी हुन्छ है त. So handyblast के हो भने चाहिँ नि तपाईँको बाइक चाहिँ कुनै दिन घाउ भएको छ भने यो चाहिँ चट्ट तपाईँले हेर्नु आजकल पहिलाको handyblast खोल्न गाह्रो हुन्छ. यसमा अलरेडी प्री कट भएको छ, तपाईँलाई खोल्न कति सजिलो है? फिचर नम्बर 1 कति फाइदा हैन? कति सजिलो खोल्नु. अनि खोलिसकेपछि यसको जुन हाम्रो यो टास्किङ छ नि पहिलाको एडिसिभ भन्दा राम्रो छ के. So the feature number 2 is यसको एडिसिभ इज बेटर. That means तपाईँको लङ टर्म टास्किङ छ, छिटो निस्किने हुँदैन, केही पनि हुँदैन. नम्बर 3 यसमा हामीले पेन किलर पनि राखेको छौँ. सो तपाईँको जुन घाउ दुखिरहेको छ तपाईँले ह्यान्डीब्लास्टमा हुन्छ तपाईँको पेन किलरले गर्दा घाउ पनि सन्चो हुन्छ, दुख्न पनि छोड्छ. नम्बर 4 we've got put a antibacterial in it. So any तपाईँको त्यहाँ रोगसोग लाग्यो भने त्यसलाई पनि त्यसले मारिदिन्छ. नम्बर 5 यसमा कोएगुलेन्टको कुरा चाहिँ अलिक बढिरहेको छ, तपाईँको घाउ बन्द हुने प्रोसेस पनि will become faster. And number 6 this is completely waterproof. So तपाईँलाई नुहाउनु मन छ, खेल्नु मन छ, जे गरे पनि भयो भने हुन्छ, धुलो सुलो पनि छिर्दैन. That's number 6. And number 7 after 24 hours or 36 hours त्यो गम चाहिँ नि आफै बिस्तारै कम भन्छ, तपाईँलाई निकाल्दा पनि दुख्दैन, जहिले पनि निकाल्दा दुख्छ नि त है. And the 8th best thing is अबुई, this is the best part. त्यो सबै कुरा खालि 2 रुपैयाँ मात्रै. Isn't that amazing? That's pretty amazing. So किन चाहनुहुन्छ? So is that a very normal sales call? Is that what we do? नमस्ते भन्छ चाहिँ गर्छ हैन? अनि चाहिँ हामी के गर्छौँ? चपट 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 के गर्न थाल्छ? त्यसको फाइदा भन्न थाल्छौँ. अनि फाइदा भन्न थालेपछि अनि कस्टमर सुन्न हुन्छ. And then what do we do? अनि यसको खालि 2 रुपैयाँ मात्रै. अब and then we ask a very stupid question. And then we say, would you like to buy it? किन चाहनुहुन्छ? तपाईँले के भन्छ? नो त भन्दैन होला, त्यस्तो साह्रै. Wow, there's a mic man for a reason. So what did she say? What did she say? She said, wow, राम्रो product, घाउ भएपछि किन्छु. Oh, is that what everybody says? Oh, is that what you just said? घाउ भएपछि किन्छु. I'm like, shit man, I just did so much मेहनत, घाउ भएपछि किन्छु भन्दियो. That's what every customer says. भोलि आउला, पर्सि आउला, सोचौँला, हेरौँला, हैन? घाउ भएपछि किनौँला. Those are all objections. Now, what became more important? What's more important, the handyblast or the घाउ? So we always focus, but why are we talking about the handyblast then? If the cow is more important to my sales process, why the hell am I spending time and energy talking about the goddamn handyblast? I don't understand. That is the problem with the sales process. Nobody talks about the cow. Everybody goes and talks about their shitty little handyblast. Oh, you go to a bank, के भने कि handyblast निकै ल्यान्छ, handyblast दिइहाल्छ. हो, you go to a motorcycle showroom, motorcycle एउटा कागज दिएर सर दिइहाल्छ handyblast को. I'm serious. You go to insurance company, that's exactly what they do. Can you tell me one company that's in here that doesn't do that? Everybody does that. But the problem is, what should I do? What I should do? Ma'am, के छ? त्यहाँ यसो गर्नु पर्यो के गर्नु पर्यो? चक्लेट हो है हैन? चक्लेट उतै के हो भने सर्ट गर्नु पर्यो के? अनि गोगल ह्याप्पी गर्नु. त्यो के गर्ने भन्छ हो? Am I right? हैन? And then I will say, सबै घाउ बनाउँछ, गोगल लिन्छु, गोगल छ ओर्यो नि चाहिँ. हैन, handyblast तपाईलाई थाहै हुँदैन नि. अनि घाउ भयो भने म्याम यो handyblast हो. अनि भन्न थाल्यो भन्न हैन? Point of the matter is that we as salespeople don't need to sell handyblast. मैले त घाउ बनाएर म्याम यो handyblast हो. यसमा के छ? ए चुक्ला त मलाई देऊ, मलाई रबर बोल्नु बढी त बोल. And then now it just happened. A while ago, I was trying to sell my handyblast to her. Oh, who had power? The customer had power or I had power? Customer had power. And we all know this. This kind of customer is right, customer Bhavan. I don't believe that. Customer Bhavan होइन. उसलाई भोग लागेको छ. मैले मोमो बेच्यो भने उसले मलाई 100 रुपैयाँमा दियो भने उसको भोग मेटाए के. I am भगवान. म प्रोडक्ट दिने मान्छे भगवान हो, म सर्भिस दिने मान्छे हो. उसले मलाई के दियो? 2 रुपैयाँ दियो. उसको मैले ह्यान्डीब्लास्ट गरेर त्यहाँ घाउ ठीक पारेँ. Now the problem is, त्यसले त कहाँ चक्कु लिएर घुम्नु मिल्छ तपाईँलाई भन्छ. That's the point, right? सबैलाई घुम्दै हिँड्नु मिलेन. But the point of the sales is not to make wounds. The point is she already has a wound somewhere in her body. The point is to find that wound. That is where the real script comes in. हाम्रो स्क्रिप्ट यस्तो हुनु पर्यो कि what problem are we solving? Every product in the world, every service in the world solves a problem. This mic is solving a problem. किनकि पछाडिको मान्छेले मेरो आवाज सुन्दैन. That video is solving a problem किनकि पछाडिको मान्छे मलाई देख्दैन. That's solving a problem. I'm wearing pants because नलाएर मलाई लाज लाग्छ. हुन त लाज पहिलाको मान्छे लाग्दैन थियो, अब लाज बनायो, अब लागिसकेपछि प्यान्ट लाउनै पर्यो, मलाई लाउने खास इच्छा छैन. राइट? होइन र खास कम्फर्टेबल हुने नि प्यान्ट भन्ने कुरा. घर पुग्दाखेरि कसैले प्यान्ट लाएर हिँड्दैन. गन्जिने बटुमै हो जस्तो जान. Right? But it's solving a problem that I want to look professional, right? Is it solved? Why do women wear makeup? Because they're not as pretty as men. That's the problem, right? I'm the time to take it out there. Thank you. That's the problem. They're not born as beautiful as men are. And makeup किन बनायो? अब catch up त गर्नु पर्यो. के गर्ने? So look, it's a volume. केही त देखिहाल्ला. So look at that. Look how big our problem is. Has she solved it properly? I think so, right? Is that a very big problem? I think so. Look at me. No makeup required, right? Anyway, thank you again. So my point over here is, now we're going to move on to the script, the actual script. Actual script is not talking about your product, right? How many script गर्दा के गर्छौं? नेपालको script, this is the problem. Oh, feature one, the point गर्दा हुन्छ हैन? कता point गर्नु? It's not working. All right. Oh, this is working. So we talk about feature one, feature two, feature three, advantage one, advantage two, advantage three. That's how we sell. That's how, maybe that's how you used to sell. That's how people underneath you sell. If you're a manager, if you're a president, if you're, I don't know. तपाईको भोलिको दिनमा तपाईले कि त बेचिरहेछ कि त तपाईको टिमले बेचिरहेछ. दुईजना मान्छे त बेचिरहेछ. कि त तपाईको टिमले यो गर्छ कि त तपाईले गर्छ. ग्यारेन्टी कि यो भन्दा बढी गर्नुपर्ने थाहै छैन. Right? And this is the problem. Talking about feature, advantage, advantage. That's, nobody cares. Now what we need to do, this is the kind of script that they taught us. I know? Can you do that? Use that. It's all out there. Right? So now, this is the kind of script they taught us. The first step they do. The first thing is we should go and approach our customer. We always approach the customer, हामी कहाँ आउँछ कि त हामी कस्टमर गर्न जान्छ. एउटा न एउटा अप्रोच गर्नै पर्यो. Right? कि त मान्छे ब्याङ्क आउँछ कि त मान्छे ब्याङ्क घर पुग्छ. कि त मान्छे किन तरकारी किन पसल पुग्छ कि त मान्छे साइकलमा तरकारी हेरेर उसको घर पुग्छ. Somebody has to approach someone. After that, we should set the agenda. Never was an agenda नै set गर्दैन. If you guys came here, everybody got an agenda on their pocket, oh, in the bag. कसले पछि बोल्छ, त्यसपछि को बोल्छ, त्यसपछि को बोल्छ, त्यसपछि के हुन्छ सबैलाई थाहा छ. त्यो थाहा नपाउने भएको खाली छिर्यो खाना खाने कति बजे पनि टी ब्रेक कहिले पाउने यो मान्छे कति लामो कुरा गर्ने नोबडी creates confusion. So when we go on a sales call, we always say that. सबभन्दा पहिला म तपाईलाई दुई चारवटा प्रश्नहरू सोध्छु किनकि म तपाईको बारेमा बुझ्न एकदमै जरुरी छ. तपाईको कुरामा राम्रोसँग बुझिसकेपछि बल्ल अनि हाम्रो बारेमा हामी त्यसमा बताउनु कि तपाईको जरुरत बुझिदैन हामी भन्दै अनि त्यसपछि जब मैले बोल्छु त्यसपछि तपाईको सबै कुरा ठीक लाग्यो र मलाई पनि बुझ्न मन पर्यो त्यसपछि हामी अगाडि बढाउन है भन्छ. उनीले हुन्छ भन्छ. त्यो भनेको कि अगाडि बढ्नुको मतलब हो नि. I'll listen to you, you listen to me, then we're going to move forward. What is moving forward mean? We're going to buy. So already I think commitment into. So we actually sell based on blackmail. Right? If I promise her tomorrow, okay, I'll love you forever, and I'll be like the best husband, we're going to have 4 kids, it's going to be the most wonderful life, but I love you, with her, and if I leave her, what is she going to say? Don't let my life promise her, you know, she's going to cry, she's going to say all of that, right? It depends on my commitments I give her. I'll get it I cannot give you more money. And if she agrees, then am I right? So the problem is, customer in the end. A sense of bad word. Is a better word. So we need their commitment. Early commitment universal. So early commitment last more than 9 months. And we are never looking for a yes from a customer. We're always making sure that they cannot say no. There's a difference. There's a very big difference. Maन्छेले yes भन्नु एकदमै गाह्रो छ. उसलाई नाइ भन्न नदिनु त्यो अलि सजिलो छ. नेपालमा मान्छे नाइ भन्न पनि अप्ठ्यारो लाग्छ. उसको नाइ भन्न नसक्ने सिनारियोलाई हामीले टाढेर भन्नुपर्छ. Push sales. And push sales, if you're ashamed to do push sales, stop selling your product. I'm not ashamed to do push sales to anyone. If I want to push myself on her tomorrow, I'm not ashamed because I believe if I'm in her life, she'll be good. Oh? So मलाई push गर्न गाह्रो भएन नि त. But if I believe I'm bad for her in her life, then I should be ashamed to push myself into it, right? The point is, if you're ashamed to push your product, stop selling your product. If you're not ashamed to push your product, start pushing your product. If you really believe that the customer will win, there is no shame in pushing at all. डक्टरले कहिले पनि तपाईलाई औषधि खाने इच्छा छ भने सोध्दैन, खा दिनको 3 चोटी खा, एउटा भात खाएपछि पनि खाने, कुन he tells you exactly what to do. उठ्दा छ खा अनि भात खा, त्यसपछि फेरि औषधि खा, त्यसपछि फेरि भात खा. He never asks for your permission. He doesn't feel ashamed in pushing his product. A doctor is a salesman. They're selling. They're selling you your health. They're selling medicine. हामीले यो डक्टरलाई डक्टर सल्लाह गर्न जान्छ त्यहाँनिर. He's selling us. हामी त पैसा सोध्दैन. Why? Because what does he focus on? A doctor never focuses on the medicine. The doctor always focuses on number 3. What's number 3? Is pain. The doctor always, as soon as you walk in, the doctor will say, मसँग डिकोड छ, मसँग फ्लेक्सन छ, मसँग यो छ, कुन चाहिँ खाने सोध्दैन के? यसको 5 रुपैयाँ छ, 6 रुपैयाँ, doesn't matter. He says, के भयो तपाईलाई? के गाह्रो भयो? तपाईलाई के प्रब्लम छ? कतिको प्रब्लम भएको? कहाँ हुन्छ प्रब्लम? कत्रो छ प्रब्लम? कतिको दुःख दिन्छ प्रब्लमले? प्रब्लम तपाईँको जीवन कति अप्ठ्यारो पारेको छ? जति तपाईँको जीवन अप्ठ्यारो भयो त्यति महँगो औषधि हुन्छ हो? त्यो हैन? टाउको दुखाइ छ भने औषधि 2 रुपैयाँले जान्छ. क्यान्सर भयो भने घरबार जान्छ. Right? अप्ठ्यारोसँग लेनदेन छ. If you're going to die because of that problem, you're going to lose all your money. You're going to give everything up because you're going to survive. Depends on the size of the pain. My question is, how big of a problem are you solving? How big of a pain does the customer have? Is there 5 minutes left? Thank you so much. I know. Then what we do? Then the doctor always repeats. Hey, so he tries to confirm. To confirm what he killed. कोट्याउनु पर्यो यार घाउ कोटाएर दुख्दैन नमक छर्दिनु पर्यो त्यो घाउमा कस्टमर रुनु पर्यो जति बढी कस्टमर रुन्छ त्यति छिटो प्रडक्ट बिक्छ इट्स भेरी सिम्पल अहिले यहाँसम्म आई हैव अलरेडी गट टु स्टेप नम्बर 4 एन्ड आई हैव इभन टॉक्ड अबाउट मैले मेरो प्रोडक्टको बारे कुरा गरेको पनि छैन आई जस्ट सेट द एजेन्डा आई एम टकिङ टु द कस्टमर देयर प्रब्लम अभियसली म बाइक बेचिरहेको छु भने ट्रान्सपोर्टेसनको प्रब्लमकै त कुरा गर्छु हैन र ब्याङ्किङ प्रब्लमको कुरा गर्दैन मैले होम लोन बेचिरहेको छु भने लोनसँग रिलेटेड प्रब्लमकै त कुरा गर्छु हैन कुन कुकुर किन्ने भन्ने त कुरा गर्दिन सो रिलेटेड टु योर प्रोडक्ट व्हाट प्रब्लम आर यु सल्भिङ स्टार्ट आस्किङ दोस क्वेशन्स देन रिपिट दोस क्वेशन्स रिपिट दोस एन्सर्स कोट्याउनु पर्यो उनीलाई दुख्नु पर्यो चित्त दुख्नु पर्यो देन व्हाट डु वी डु नम्बर 5 देन वी टेक कमिटमेन्ट फ्रम इट त्यसपछि तपाईको भोलि यो प्रब्लम सल्भ हुने भएको कुनै एउटा राम्रो प्रोडक्ट राख्नु प्रब्लम सल्भ हुने वुड यु वान्ट टु युज दैट प्रोडक्ट अफ कोर्स डक्टर चाहिँ भन्छ तपाईले क्यान्सर जाने भए तपाईलाई वुड यु टेक दैट अप्सन नले पनि हुन्छ but would you like to take that option so yes bhanje yes I would like to take that option doesn't mean they're buying but in a way they're giving you their commitment लिनु पर्यो त्यसपछि we transition त्यसपछि अब तपाईको कुरा मैले कुरा सुनिसके तपाईलाई एक्सेस भएको रहेछ अब चाहिँ यो सबै कुरालाई बुझेर अब चाहिँ म तपाईलाई मेरो कुरा भन्छु नि we need to transition very smoothly abruptly गर्नु भएन this whole process the first 6 steps probably takes 45 minute को meeting मा step number 1 day 6 probably takes 35 minutes. That's the most important part. Step number 3 alone will probably take 25 minutes. Step number 3, digging for